chance. Lost you guys for a second. I swear if this thing breaks off and I lose my GoPro, I'm dead and I'm gonna be mad. Beach or pool? Is it still on? Beach or pool? Beach or pool? Oh my eye! Was it waterproof? I guess. Is it still on? Yeah. Oh. But did you rub your eyes? I wouldn't rub my eyes even if I was. Hop, 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 hop. Big drag. My bathing suit keeps coming undone. Ow. What the heck is this? I'm a whale. That hurt so bad. You made me mess up. Because she didn't know what that was. That was me performing like a dragon. And one. And two. What's happening? Resist the way. Keep your balance. And one. And two. And three. Hold it tight, man. I am. The top one, it won't fly off. Alright, now that we finished those squats, we're gonna go on to split jump squats. Wave coming. Ran, it's waterproof, right? Yes. Ready? Wait, how are we getting the lift? Ready? Wait. Wait. Okay, got it. Catch. I'm ready. My fans are cool, but okay. Ready? Catch. You guys are gonna fall head first. You guys, oh God! Oh my God! Yes. Thumbnail. Oh. Well, that was painful for my nose. Oh, Jesus. Big sister wins.
I'm so tired.
Uh-oh. That was a little... Watch out, Des. It's relaxing time now.
Yes.
I've been in the water this entire time. And I've been pretty beaten up, so I'm just gonna look at these list of words and try to give me a word to spell.
Oh yeah. Are you practicing?
Yes.
Wait, isn't that cheating?
No. How do we know if we're gonna get these words?
Well, I read it on a piece of paper.
Well, no. What's it called? I'm not picking. These aren't the words I'm gonna use. And what are the odds that she'll pick these words that I'm practicing?
She don't know what words I'm gonna say, huh?
No. We don't know what each other's words are. So. And these ones are
But you're gonna practice
these
your
ones
own
are
words?
No, these ones are easy words.
Oh.
Like they're random words. Well, then get to a different picture. What? SHOWBOATING. That is so... That's insulting, Amanda. That you don't think I know how to spell show and boat. Swahili?
It's a language.
Wait. W.
Are you done? What are you doing? Keep saying that.
Don't interrupt me until I'm done.
Okay, go.
And then tell me if I'm right or wrong.
Yeah.
Your pants are falling down. We're gonna spell Swahili.
SWAHILI. We know who's not gonna win. No, I'm just kidding.
I suck at spelling. She picked this on purpose. Consistent?
Yes.
CONSIS. Wait, consistent. TENT. Desperately.
You gotta drink water. Or
D-E-S.
in the cooler.
P-E-R-A-T-E-L-E. I mean, why?
Hurry up.
Lieutenant? L-U-E-I-T-E-N-T.
What? L-I-E-U-T-E-N-A-N-T.
Wait, what?
Lieutenant.
Lieutenant.
No, that's hard.
Yeah, that is hard.
I always get the I's and E's. Yeah.
Don't tell me that. I'll look
I
up
know.
words like that. I'll be like, spell.
It's getting my weakness away.
Leisure.
Leisure?
Yeah.
There goes another one.
L
Spelling?
Leisure.
I C U.
L-E-I-S-U-R-E.
Ah!
She's gonna beat us.
I'm gonna cry.
Come on.
I will look stupid.
Just write it on the paper.
Dilemma.
Dilemma? Oh my god. How did I graduate? Wait. Dil? D-I-L-E-M-A.
No, 2 M's. Emma. Like the name Emma.
All I gotta do is last longer than red.
Just like M. Dilem.
Oh yeah, we were looking.
I was watching him and I was like, why are you so terrible?
H-Y. S-T. Hyster. E-R. Hyster. I-C-A-L. Yes! I'm gonna go convenient. Con. C-O-N. Con. V-I-E-N-E-N-T.
No, it's not an I, it's an
I hate life. I quit!
Okay,
I'm not playing this game anymore.
E. Oh wait, no. Innocent.
I'm getting up. I'm gonna go look at seashells.